on!
Combine harvester is broken.
La la la. Oh, whoa! What's going on? Ah! Ah! Help me! Help me!
Oh dear! How did you fall over?
I don't know. I was harvesting wheat, and I don't know if I got caught up in something, but I suddenly fell down.
I have to take you to the repair shop first. Please, wait a moment. Okay, we're here. This is Nick's Easy Clean Repair Shop.
Okay.
I have to do some inspection. Let's move you inside.
Okay.
I'll do an overall inspection. Oh no, it's full of dust and debris. I'll remove it. Oh, there are rocks in there too. Heave ho! Heave ho! I'll tighten the loose screws. Done! I'll replace the old parts. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. Done. I'll lather you up. Time to rinse. I'll add some shine. Nice and shiny. All done.
Wow, thank you. I will be able to harvest well now.
That's great. If anything breaks down, please come to Easy Clean Repair Shop.
Okay, then goodbye.
Bye.
Click here to subscribe. Press like.